next query then, and this one is coming in from Ram Rao from Pune, and he wants to know about Bajaj Finance. He's holding about 2,240 shares since its listing. Wants to know for how long should he hold on to this? What's your take, Gaurang? Can you give a timeline for Bajaj Finance? For how long do you think, till how long you should hold on to this one?
Well, you don't need to worry, Sharil. You bought it at IPO, if I'm right. I heard it right.
Yes.
So, you don't have anything to cry for, right? You would have got your capital back by now. So your cost of investment is virtually zero. We have positive coverage on Bajaj Finance, and this is one of the star performer if you actually go to see in the NBFC category. There was concern, but I think in the last fiscal, with terms of the business commentary and business outlook that they had mentioned, but from those times and levels, the management has put a decisive strategy in place, and that is augured extremely well on the business front and translating that into the earnings that they delivered. I don't see any reason. I mean, what I could only say is, though we have positive coverage on the buy side on Bajaj Finance, if you're really worried, bring home your capital. I'm sure you would have got your capital back by virtue of dividend, etc., or any kind of the bonuses, etc., that would have been announced since the time you held the share from the IPO time. Unless, I don't think you need to do any changes. Just hold on to it and ride the upside.
Tough question only to Gaurang. Let me come to you, Kunal. Let me ask you, for how long should he hold on to Bajaj Finance? Gaurang has been kind enough only to use the word he's got back his capital. He's got back his capital and much, much more than that. You said somewhere around 1994, 95 is when Bajaj Finance listed on the bourses?
Yeah, the price history suggests that the 94, 95 is where the stock had listed.
And price? By any chance, for all of us, most of us, I know that both of us sitting in the studio
we are very interested to know.
We wouldn't know about it.
So there was some special situations into the prices, but then I think adjusted to that, it was almost 20 rupees where the stock had listed.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
So 20 became 2 rupees in the span of the first 3 years of listing for Bajaj Finance. And then from 2, the stock is now at 8,000 plus.
So for how long should you hold on to this?
I don't know. Even if you get a partial dividend, I think we can recover your cost of 2 rupees as your investment. So I think it's a good stock. You can continue to hold on. I don't see a timeline to this stock because even if I look at this over the last 2-3 months or so, or the last 5-6 months of this market volatility, the stock has been absolutely strong and one of the few rare stocks from the entire financial space which has actually come back towards a life high breakout about the 8,000 plus levels in this leg of the market uptrend. So market volatility. So I believe that it's a sign that the stock is still very strong, and I think these are gems in your portfolios, and I don't see any reason why you should sell them.
Okay, well, good call coming in on Bajaj Finance, and at a buy price of 2 rupees. Cheryl, I wonder why we did not get it. I probably wasn't even born.
I was just going to tell that Snehi, but I would not want to divulge whether I was there or no. But yeah, yes, Bajaj Finance, and yes, gem of a stock that you have in your portfolio, and you cannot give a timeline to such sort of companies that you hold into your portfolio, given the fact their quality, their marquee names, and they have consensus thumbs up, not only from Gaurang, from Kunal, but a lot of other marquee analysts and experts in the market. But on that note,